Yeah, in this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy your website for free using Vercel. So we are going to deploy this HTML, CSS, Bootstrap website for free using Vercel, which is a free platform and also a premium platform for deploying your website. So let's get started. So this is the website. You can see the address. It is on my machine right now. You can see users download. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Visual Studio Code and open this. So I'll go to my Visual Studio Code to open this. So let me close down this other ones I've opened. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code to open this real estate. So I'll come here, file, open folder. So I'll search for that particular folder, which is this. I'll select it. So this is the file. This is the folder that I want to deploy. So first thing you need to do is to push it to GitHub. So that's the first thing you need to do. So let me open my terminal. So I want to push this to my GitHub repo to push this. So let me use the git bash. So let me first go and create a repository for that. So I'll go to github.com. So this is my GitHub dashboard. So first I'll create a new repository. So yeah, I call this hosting free. You can call it anything you like. Hosting free, hosting_free. That's a repository. I'm calling it. I'll click create repository. Okay, so I've created the repository called hosting free, which I've just created, and I'll go to my Visual Studio Code and push it from local to remote. So first and foremost, I have to cd to this folder. It's already there, real estate 01. So here I will initialize it, git init. So I've initialized it. Secondly, I will add to the staging area, then commit it. Saving my website for free. My website. So I've committed it. So the next thing is to now push it to the remote repository. So that's the next stage which I want to do. So I will not be wasting time there. I'll quickly just come here in my GitHub repository, then copy this line of code. This is not a Git class actually, so I believe you already know how to push your local repository to the remote. So I'll just paste this, then go back again, the second line of code, which is to rename it to main. I'll come here again, and I'll push it there. Then I'll copy the last line of code from the remote repository, which is to push to the origin main. So I'll come here and I'll push it. So after pressing enter, it will push my local folders to the GitHub remote repository, which is what it's doing right now. So let's wait for some few minutes. So as this is pushing, let me quickly go to Vercel. Vercel is the website platform that will enable us to deploy our website for free. So I'll go to Vercel, vercel.com. There are other platforms apart from Vercel that you can use to deploy your website for free. So this is Vercel's website, official website. So let me log in. For you, if you don't have an account, you can sign up with this platform. So let me log in. So I'm going to log in with GitHub. So first and foremost, let me check if my my remote has my repository has been pushed finally to the main. You can see that. So let me go to my GitHub first before I log into Vercel. So this is my GitHub, this is my GitHub repository, so hosting free. So if I refresh this, you will see that the folders are now on the GitHub repo. So you can see that the images folder, index CSS, index.html, I've successfully pushed this folder from local to the remote repository, which is what you are seeing on the screen. So I'll return back to Vercel. So I will continue with GitHub. Click on continue with GitHub. Then it will prepare you to authenticate your GitHub by putting in your password. Okay, I think it didn't bring that for me, but for you, it's going to bring that for you. So this is my dashboard. This is my Vercel dashboard, that you're seeing on the screen. And these are the number of projects that I have deployed on this platform so far. So the next thing you would need to do is to click on this add new button. Click on this add new button. Then you will see projects. So this project, since we logged in with GitHub, this project will bring all our GitHub. There is a GitHub username, this is my GitHub username, ns-isibonai. It will bring it for you. You can see that. So this is the latest project. These are the projects. These are my repository in my GitHub repo. Hosting_free was what we created 1 minute ago, which is what you are seeing. So it is what I want to deploy on this platform called Vercel. So I'll click on import. So after clicking on import, it will take you to this place, this form field that you're going to fill. So they now say, what is the project name? What do you want to call this project name? Let me call it, I want to call it mini re-estates. Mini re-estates. You can call it mini re-estates. You can call it anything you like. So others, the root, leave it like that. Deploy. So you click on deploy. After you've done that, you just click on deploy. So it will take you some minutes for it to start deploying your website to the live server. So just wait for some few minutes for it to build. Congratulations. So you can see that you've just deployed a new project to Vercel. So you can see that I've deployed a new project to Vercel. The next thing you need to do is to click on continue to dashboard. Where's that place? Continue to dashboard. So let me refresh this. Okay, so I'll go back. I'm supposed to, okay, let me get the link, add link, re-estate. So let me, I've deployed this, so let me just come here, instant preview, authenticating. So let's wait for it to authenticate. So you can see that I have successfully deployed this website on Vercel. You can see the URL. So I can easily come here and give you the URL. So if I come here, I can copy this URL. Let me open another tab and paste that and press enter. Fantastic. So you can see that we have successfully deployed our websites for free on Vercel. So this is how you deploy your website for free, your HTML, CSS, JavaScript website for free. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more programming video like this. Like, share this video. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys.